Hola everyone, how you all doing today? My name is Shampa and I do makeup videos. This is a look I've created this time, which I've been thinking to do for quite some time now, and I finally did it. A fall makeup 2020 look with mulberry lips, almost blackish in color. So if you like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. I've prepped my skin and I've also applied a lip balm, and now I'm using a Color Bar Perfect Match primer on the areas where I have open pores and fine lines. For the foundation, I'm using Nykaa skingenius 02 in the shade almond beige and applying it with a stippling brush or a foundation brush all over my face and neck and also on the ears. For the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 light and applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, nose, jawline, and also on my chin to bring forward these areas, to highlight these areas. And with the concealer brush, I'm blending the concealer well onto my skin. Now with the wet beauty sponge, I'm just dabbing everything in place. To contour my face, I'm using Pack Powder Blusher in the shade 10. And with the tapered contour brush, I'm applying it at the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, nose, and also on my jawline. And with very light hands, I'm dabbing the contour powder in place so that everything looks like skin. To set the concealer in place, I'm using Crayolan translucent powder in the shade TL9, and with the powder brush, I'm applying the powder, dabbing the powder on all those areas where I had applied the concealer so that it doesn't crease. And now I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using a small eyeshadow blending brush to do that. For my eyebrows, I'm using Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm combing my brows with a spoolie which comes along with the pencil, and now filling in the sparse areas. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm using this pinkish light brown color for my crease areas, and the champagne gold for the inner corners of my eyes, and the golden pigment for the lids. And now I'm applying the brown shade on my crease area. This will act as the transition shade. And I'm going very minimal with my eye look, eye makeup this time, because my lips are going to be very strong, very dark, very dramatic. So going very, very light with my eye makeup, very minimal. I'm applying the same brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well to complete the eye makeup. And for my lid area, I'm using the golden pigment from the palette, and I'm using a flat shader brush to dab the pigment in place. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the champagne gold eyeshadow, the pigment, and the same pigment I'm applying on the brow bones as well. For the eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Colossal eyeliner, and drawing out a wing with the same. Now I'm using this brick brown eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line, and I'm leaving the waterline as I'll be applying nude pencil on my waterline, and it's from Rimmel. The shade is 213 in the nude. Now curling my lashes, and for my mascara I'm using this mascara from Sugar, which I got it in the August fab bag, and it's a beautiful mascara, must buy. It's a must buy for natural and nice curl lashes. For my lips, I'm using this lipstick, mini lipstick, liquid matte lipstick from Huda, and I couldn't show you. I thought I was recording, but it didn't record, and I showed it to you in the picture on the side. And I've applied it on my lips, and since the lips are so dark, I cleaned the mouth area with the concealer. And for my blush, I'm using this berry pink matte blush from Palladio. And I applied the blush after the lipstick today because the lips were really dark, so I just wanted to balance out everything, so I left the blush and highlighter for later. For highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold molten, and it's a very subtle highlighter, so yeah, I'm applying it on the high planes of my face. For my hair, I thought of straightening it. It's the most convenient way actually. But then yeah, I thought straight hair will go best with the look, so yeah, I went ahead and straightened my hair. Ta-da! So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. It was not a very difficult look that I created. It's very simple, which I think you must give it a try this fall, and I hope you like it, and do give me a thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching so much, everyone, and stay at home, stay safe, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye and take care.